Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. A lot of people get nervous when they hear the letters AI. I don't. My biggest question when I hear AI is, hey, what about the E, O, and U? Hey, I know my vowels, folks, and you should too. The big philosophical question is Chick-fil-a or Popeyes? Here's the thing, Popeyes has a really good chicken sandwich. The problem is when you walk into a Popeyes to eat a chicken sandwich or even order a chicken sandwich, there's a good chance you may become an innocent bystander of a knife fight between employees. That shouldn't happen no matter where you eat a chicken sandwich. And their equipment is always down. Hey, can I get a four-piece to go? Yeah. You know, our equipment's being repaired right now. And you'll see the equipment like on a table and some guy fixing it. And they'll say, can you come back in about 4 hours? Yeah, I'll come back in 4 hours for that four-piece chicken meal. Now you walk into a Chick-fil-a, whoa, completely different atmosphere, clean, professional. Everyone's in a great mood. How you doing today? Is this for here to go? This is for, I don't even know. I think I want to stay here and eat it. It's so friendly in here. But Chick-fil-a is just top shelf. You know, you could order your chicken sandwich, sit down there, eat it, enjoy it, and walk out and live to see another day. You can't do that at Popeyes.